Hey everybody, and welcome back to BroForce. So there's another update that just came out just today, and as soon as I got the email, I downloaded it right away. We're gonna play it through. So we got the level editor. So this is an alpha stage. We're gonna play that, but we're also gonna try this explosion run, which apparently this beta feature, we're still working on it. Yeah. So basically, we have a certain amount of time to do something to play. So we gotta try and go as fast as we can to get through this. I'm not sure. I don't quite remember. So we gotta move with it. So bro team fail. Excuse me. So we're gonna try this again. So everything just explodes as you pass through it, and we lost again. That's hilarious. This is actually pretty fun, must be said. Okay, so I'm not sure what I want to do with this. That looks good to me. Just gotta keep jumping around and holy shit. Oh my god, this is awesome! No! No! Right at the very end! Right at the very end! No, this is not happening. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, so we get that. And then you can kind of jump there. Get rid of all that. So there's a pipe here, too. Holy shit. What the hell? Failed again. This is actually pretty fun. Ah! God damn it! This is awesome. This is absolutely fucking awesome. Okay, we're gonna. Son of a bitch! So this is really fun. I really like this. So they added pipes in this, which is fun, you know. Pipes are fun, you know. It's fun stuff. First I just clearing the pipes. Slow down. Damn it! No! This is intense. This is very intense. Damn it! This is fun. This is really fun. Honest to God, this is the funnest I've had. I'm gonna try and avoid that stuff as much as I can. Oh no! Ah, son of a bitch! Son of a bitch! This is so fun. This is very fun. So I guess this really is the safest and only way to travel is up top. How did I die there? I do not understand this. I do not understand. bitch. So you cannot just jump up because you can't go fast enough. God damn it, this is ridiculous. Sorry for the coffin. You know, shit happens. I'm trying to get rid of as many of those as possible so I can just kind of like... Oh yeah, sucker. Holy shit. Okay, so that's already taken care of. Oh my god. Yes! 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 Oh my god. Oh my god. Around... that's only one round? Oh shit. Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Oh my freaking god, this is awesome! Oh my god, oh my god. Keep moving! Keep moving, you son of a bitch! Oh my god! Oh, okay, so the pipe, you can just explode the pipe and it creates a path for you. So that's good to know. Slow down. Oh yeah. Sucker. Oh my god, this is awesome! Holy Shatner. Holy Shatner. Ah! God damn it, I was almost at the top too. This is awesome. So this is the new mode. Not sure where else to, not sure what else to say here. Other than this is just fucking amazing. Oh my god. Oh fuck. God damn it. This is awesome. It's like the best game mode ever. Okay, so you just gotta try and keep going up. Constantly and never stopping. Now I got crushed by a barrel. God damn it. This is honestly the best. I'm gonna go this way. Did I die? Oh no. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So I don't want to go up too high because then I don't know what's up top and then shit's likely to happen and I'm likely to die. Yes! Round 2. Finished. Yeah. So it's actually supposed to be like a race. To see who can get to the top first. You're supposed to play this with more than one person. Oh shit! What the fuck? Oh my god! So apparently they have some new holy shit. Holy shit, holy shit, holy shit, holy shit. Oh, don't want to be up there, don't want to be up there. Oh my god. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Right there, right there. So they have this new ground type called sand. So they got sand in here now. And it's amazing. You know? That's all sand there. Oh my god. There's no way. No way I was gonna get that. No freaking way. Can't explode anything here. Oh god, there it goes. There it goes. And I'm... Holy Shatner. Holy... God damn it. Holy Shatner. Holy shit. Okay. Let's do this. Yeah. Oh god. Okay, so if I beat this, I'll end the video. This is part of the new BroForce update. This. I'll go through the level editor in another video. Oh my god, are you kidding me? This is almost impossible. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? This is crazy destruction. Crazy destruction. I'm gonna stay here for a bit. Wait for that. And then... Okay, there we go. So I took care of those guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. How did I die? Where did I die? I know where I died. It was back there. And my chair keeps going down, so I'm gonna adjust my cam. I need to get a new chair. Are you kidding me? Now how the hell am I supposed to get across here? There's no way. So you gotta. So don't shoot right away. Don't shoot, because you just screw I just fuck everything up. Holy shit. Okay, so let's just throw that in there. It's gonna drop a lot of shit. Yes! Holy crap! This is nuts. That's absolutely nuts. So I think it's just the 3 levels, and that's it. Right now, anyway, right? So there we go. That is one of the new game modes. I'll tell you the name of that again in a second. That is Explosion Runs. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, which is going to be at least for BroForce videos. The next BroForce video is going to be on the level editor, which is right in an alpha stage. Apparently, they redid the interface for it, so I'll take a look at that, and I'll show you guys what that's all about after I've tinkered it with it for a bit. And enjoy all the other videos that are going up this week. There's got RuneScape, some more coding tutorials, which as far as I know right now, I'm doing the mod. I'm doing if it's not up already anyway. I'm not sure when this video is actually going to go up, what day it's going to be, but I'm going to be doing my mob my mob update to 1.6.4 video, as well as I will be doing custom arrow and a few other things. I'm going through my list, and I'm slowly going to start shrinking that down. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you guys in the next video.